guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. So I'm coming to you with my hair like this because I thought I was recording, you know? I'm recording on my phone again. The camera is still in the menders, so I will be looking like this all through the video again. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so this is the end of the video and I'm coming now to the beginning, and you are in my makeshift studio. I just want to say thank you to so many of you who have recently joined this channel. I really appreciate all of you, but most of all, I never go without saying a big thank you to my online friends. Thank you so much, especially you regulars who are always commenting and making me feel welcome and wanting to continue uploading content for y'all. So for today's video, you've seen it in the title, I prepare my hair for the rice water challenges. I think I worked out this is another reason why my hair's kind of bulletproof when it comes to the black rice water or the rice water challenges, because I do a lot of them. I've got plenty of videos. I will link up here in the card the actual playlist for rice water. You can have some fun watching them, okay? And I think I know the reason why my hair's doing much better now doing the rice water challenges is because I'm preparing my hair before the challenge. I know, genius, isn't it, eh? So I want to share with you one of the things that I want to do to prepare my hair before we do the challenge for July. I know it's at the end of the month, but I don't care, we are still doing it, okay? So just like if you were straightening your hair with heat straighteners, or if you were bleaching your hair, it would be wise to prepare your hair beforehand. So I was thinking in my brain, why not I do the same for the July challenge? We are doing rice water, so we need it. So this video is really the preparation before we embark on doing a rice water challenge. Because honey, if you've seen my last videos, you know I get really good growth out of my rice water challenges. So let me show you how I'm going to prepare my hair. If you want to see that, you know, you got to hang on. You might want to get something and then come and sit down. For so long, I've wanted to try apple cider vinegar in some kind of a DIY, but now it seems the perfect time because I'm not going to be washing my hair. The clay mix with the apple cider vinegar and the aloe vera will be able to clarify my scalp and my hair strands. And what the apple cider vinegar does, it gives you a great pH balance to your scalp. Not only that, it strengthens your hair and also improves luster and helps with any kind of infections that your scalp may have occurred. So you've seen the thing, what I've done, it's turned out like this. And this is the consistency that I want. I don't want it to be loose in this because it's just going to go everywhere. My ends, I think, need a little trimming. Yeah, so the other thing I would do to get my hair prepared for rice water treatments would probably be to trim my ends or dust them. Okay, so let's start. Let us begin. I'm just going to do it with my hands because it feels really nice and smooth. So I feel like I have more control. Oh, I like it. Obviously, it feels like clay. It's not running down my strands very nicely. Oh, I've forgotten one thing. I need to wet my hair down. Hang on. Okay, so start again. Okay, you need to wet down your hair so that it can absorb into the hair properly. Oh my word, that is really stiff. Don't do what I did. Don't do it. Don't do it, okay? Right, so wet the hair down first, okay? Oh, that's a bit better. This is supposed to pop your curls. I mean, my curls are already popping, you saw earlier on, but let me see this thing. At the moment, it's just making my hair very straight, no curls popping there. Listen, you better. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood, Satan. But this is straight hair. This ain't this ain't curling up, love. A little bit scary. And I don't like the smell of apple cider vinegar. I've seen everybody's ones and everyone's hair is nice and curly. What happened to mine? Does that look curly to you? Does that look curly? Oh, hang on. Starting to curl a little bit there. We'll give it time. I'm going to exercise long suffering and plenty of patience. So it's going to deal with everything. Take all the impurities out and cleanse your hair. Okay, kind of looks like cardboard. But anyway, we're just going to keep going, okay? Can I just say, what a newsflash. This thing is still not curling my hair. What's going on? Why? What did I do wrong? Did I do anything wrong? Oh my word. Yeah, I'm sure my hair's supposed to be curling right now. It's quite long now, you know. It's getting something. Yes, it's on my booby loobies now. Hey! Just need to show you the back of my hair because usually the back of my hair is a weird texture, okay? I don't know why, but it is. And I need some help. I need some Holy Ghost revival on the back of my hair. I'm hoping that the bentonite clay will do it, okay? Okay, right, you've seen the back now. Okay, right, so you've seen the back. Let me continue. I'll just keep going. Why is it not curling? I really watered my hair down, like drenched it. And the thing is still not curling. Well, mind you, get a little curl there. I'm gonna have to water it down. This is really making me nervous. I've got to tell you that now. I don't know, it's starting to come. This part here, is my hair damaged? Is it damaged? I'm not 100% about this thing. I have high hopes for this, so I'm just gonna carry on. I'll just carry on. Okay, so I've done everything. I've gone round. You see my hair, it's not really popping, the curls. Once I've rinsed it all out, I think the poppage might come then. I don't know. Anyway, I've done it now. And it's only gonna do my hair good because it's gonna cleanse my scalp and my hair strands. So I'm gonna leave this on my head for about 20 minutes. Gonna put a shower cap on, then I'm gonna rinse it off. And as take bentonite clay, you better do the good thing. Put the shower cap on. I'm gonna be using the Evada Deep Conditioner by Amari Me. I'm gonna put it under the heated cap for about 15 minutes. And then I'll come back when it's all rinsed out. And we want to see hair that looks good though. Okay, hey, don't worry about that. I haven't rubbed it off. It's going to do my skin very nice. I've just washed out the bentonite clay, and I've got to say, me and the bentonite, we are best friends again. Everything is forgiven, all is forgotten. This is incredible. A clay kind of makes your hair dry and stiff, and I have rinsed it out thoroughly. Well, kind of. I know the mix had aloe vera in it, but it also had a lot of apple cider vinegar, which is also stripping. But my hair feels good, and my hair is definitely clean. My scalp looks great. So for hair that hasn't been deep conditioned yet either, this is not bad. This is good. My hair feels nice and soft and really conditioned. Hey, this is gonna have to be in my routine at least once a month. Okay, I'm coming back, okay? I'm going to deep condition my hair and then we will come back and have a look at my girl's hair. Okay, so right, I've rinsed off my hair. The deep conditioner is off. The clay is off. And now, I've got no Mel's Butter Me Up. Look, listen, I'm recording on my phone, so it's not gonna give the detail properly of my curls. but you can see some of them, and this is, my hair's normally curly anyway. However, I have given my hair a good start to the challenge, which, my dear, I'm uploading the challenge video tomorrow, which will be Monday evening, because so look out for that one. Can you guys see my hair's grown? I mean, my hair is wet, but it has grown, hasn't it? I'm so pleased. I think waist length is coming soon. So last week's length check is what I'm going to be using. I will be using last week's picture. So after the challenge, I will just, you know, take another measurement. And I think it's important that we prepare our hair for a rice water treatment, because rice water can be quite harsh to the hair strands. And we want to really give our hair, just like as if you were bleaching your hair, we want to make sure it is, you know, protected in some way. So guys, don't forget to tune in tomorrow, where I will be uploading the July challenge. It will be running for a few days, not as long as a whole month. Thank God for that. So let me know in the comments if any of you have used bentonite clay, if it's in your routine, and you've been getting great benefits. Okay, so I'm just about to go and put some Mel's Buttermap up in my hair, because it's drying up as we speak, and I want to keep some of this moisture. Oh, before I forget, I'm going to show you the back, okay? So for now, guys, I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I really appreciate all your comments, especially there were so many of you who have been saying that my skin is glowing. It's this rubbish camera that I'm using, so that's amazing that you guys are pointing out that my skin looks fantastical. I will be doing a updated skincare routine. If you guys are interested in that, show it in the like, and also let me know in the comments down below. And there are new things that I've been doing to my skin for a 48-year-old woman. Don't forget to like this video, and please share my video, because it really helps me. All right guys, I'm going now. I will see you tomorrow in my next video for the July challenge. In the meantime, you take care, and God bless you all. Bye.